It's 28 February 28, 2023. Has been snow from last night to up to now, and it would be big and with rain. I have shoveled snow all my property and the neighbor property. The total shoveled snow is about 8 an hour. Half of my property, half the time for the neighbor, and the neighbor pay me $40. It means that the $40 for 4 hours of shoveling. Very high price. I shovel the snow in my sidewalk and the neighbor's sidewalk and up to the house. Not very much snow, but it's the heaviest snow of the season. Here, shovel snow and a bit change warm now.